Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can delete all duplicate photos on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments after watching this video. And let us get started with you. First, you will need to make sure you have updated software on your iPhone. To do that, go into your phone settings. Then scroll down a little bit, go to General, and then Software Update. And here you will need to make sure that your iPhone is running on iOS 16 and above software. As you can see, I'm running iOS 17.41. That's a fairly updated software already. If you have less than that, then you might be prompted right here to update your software. And then once you've updated it, you'll have a newer version. And in this way, you'll be able to remove duplicate photos safely. So, after that, go to the gallery on your iPhone, then go to Albums, then scroll down to the bottom, and at the very bottom you'll see the duplicate section. Go to those, and here you'll be able to see the full list of photos that you already have duplicated. So what can you do? You can merge them into one photo. So you'll keep one photo in your gallery, and the other one will be automatically deleted. So, click Merge, and then merge two photos. And so we got one photo left in the gallery, and the other one, as you can see, is now in the deleted folder. And in order to delete it as well, you can just delete it in this very simple way. Delete it from the deleted folder. And it will no longer be on your phone. Friends, in this very simple way you can delete all the duplicate photos on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.